We'll start this list off with the piece de resistance. The Evike Custom Optic Thunder M4 Airsoft Tag Rifle features just about every attachment under the sun and comes complete with 7 scopes, integrated grenade launcher and tactical spoke. Okay, so this weapon was clearly created as a fun way of getting as many attachments as possible onto a standard M4 rifle, but it still stands as a testament to the customization options available to airsoft players the world over. More than just an impressively long name, the system PTW is based off of the popular M4 body and is precision engineered from extremely high quality, custom parts. Mad Max is able to achieve extremely high FPS of over 460, which ensures you have all the power you need to deliver accurate shots on your enemy. What list of outrageous airsoft guns would be complete without mention of this monster weapon? The M134 comes in at over 30 pounds and can achieve over 500 FPS, making this a truly intimidating, if incredibly heavy, weapon to deploy on the battlefield. For those who are willing to shell out the cash, the M134 serves as a great addition to a support gunner's arsenal and is perfect for laying down suppressive fire on the enemy. Just make sure you don't run out of BBs. A real blast from the past, this gun is a highly detailed replica of the German-made Maskheinscher 34 used extensively during the 1930s and considered to be the most advanced weapon of its type at the time of production. Gun fanatics will surely have heard of Heckler & Koch, the famous manufacturer of firearms. This VFC remake of the HK417 is a premium designated marksman rifle, DMR, which features a full metal construction and immaculate resemblance to the original real steel model. The HK417D is also highly customizable with its long rail system, allowing for the installation of numerous different attachments, and the large 100-round magazine is sure to supply you with ample ammunition for long-range firing sessions.